Companies all over the world are racing to build the most human-like robot. But which ones have actually succeeded? Here are the top robotics companies and their humanoid robots from around the world. The biggest robotics producers today are in China. Last year, China made international headlines with rapid advancements and large-scale deployments of humanoid robots. They even hosted the world's first robot combat tournament in Hangzhou, China. The stars of the event were Unitree's G1 units. From the beginning, Unitree has drawn attention with the kung fu capabilities of its humanoid robots. Combat demonstrations highlighted their balance and dexterity. Motion capture training taught these robots how to punch, kick, and stay upright. Meanwhile, UBTech's Walker S2 has been deployed in industrial and logistics environments. Standing 1.76 meters tall with 52 degrees of freedom and 11 degrees of freedom in each hand, it is built for grasping and assembly tasks. It can lift heavy packages and sort them within factories. Its standout feature is the ability to independently replace its own batteries, reducing maintenance and human oversight. Another company disrupting the industry is XPeng. They shocked audiences by unveiling their next-generation humanoid robot, Iron. The robot moved so fluidly and naturally that the CEO cut open its synthetic exterior on stage to prove it was not human. With advancements like these, China has pushed itself to the forefront of humanoid robotics. Just last year, Agibot secured the top position worldwide in annual shipments and market share. Their annual shipments exceeded 5,100 units. This gave them more than 39% of the global market. By comparison, leading US robotics companies shipped only around 150 humanoid robots each. So, what about the United States? Tesla has dominated humanoid robot headlines, largely due to Elon Musk's ambitious claims. Technically, however, Tesla has been lagging behind competitors. Chinese robots cost less, while other American robots outperform Optimus in flexibility and capability. With Tesla betting its future on humanoid robots, the question remains what Optimus will actually become. Other US companies are performing far better. 1X introduced its Neo robot as the first consumer-ready humanoid for the home. They followed this with the 1X World model. This AI system allows Neo robots to learn from video data and apply that knowledge in real-world environments. In theory, any Neo unit can teach itself to perform human tasks. Figure has also gained attention over the past year. Videos of its humanoid robot using dishwashers, running, and sorting packages have repeatedly gone viral. The latest model, Figure 03, costs around $20,000 US. Those who own one use it to wash dishes and fold clothes. Other companies are targeting warehouses and factories. Agility Robotics Digit is designed for logistics operations. Its arms enable advanced grasping, while its sensors support navigation and object recognition. Apptronic's Apollo made headlines after partnering with Mercedes-Benz. Its robots are currently being tested on automotive production lines. The company is also collaborating with Google DeepMind. This partnership helped Apptronic reach a $5 billion valuation last year. Arguably the most advanced US robotics company is Boston Dynamics. They have consistently documented the evolution of their humanoid robot, Atlas. Atlas progressed from acrobatics to object recognition and warehouse sorting. This year, the production-ready version was officially released. It was named Best Robot at CES 2026 by CNET. 2,026 units are scheduled for deployment at Hyundai factories and Google DeepMind facilities. While attention focuses on China and the US, other countries are advancing rapidly. UK-based company Humanoid partnered with Siemens to test robots in industrial settings. Their HMND-01 Alpha is a wheeled humanoid built for logistics. It can reach speeds of 7.2 kilometers per hour while carrying loads up to 15 kilograms. Polands Clone Robotics takes a completely different approach. Their robots use water-powered artificial muscles attached to a polymer skeleton. This design mimics human anatomy with unsettling accuracy. The company has committed fully to biomimicry rather than traditional mechanical systems. So which humanoid robot is truly the best? And which of them will survive long enough to lead the coming robot revolution?